Tutorial on how to make this edit including background, effects, etc. First import 12 to 15 photos, then set each of them at 0.08 seconds. Then add to all photos train for combo animation. After that add blur effect and motion blur effect. Set this effects as you can see in this images. Export your background and remember to pick 60 frames per second frame rate. After you have your background ready, you can add it to your new project. Now import your PNG image or use auto cutout feature if you can't find one. Put your PNG image in your video, then at the beginning set the keyframe and pull your PNG image down. After that select the moment where you want your image to be in the middle of the background and add another keyframe. Remember that in second keyframe, image must be in the middle of the background. After all of that it should look like this. Now add these effects that you can see right here, and adjust them as you can see in these images. Then add the text you want to add and select fade in and fade out animation to the text. Final result should look like this. Eventually you can add fade in and fade out animation to your video if you want. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions, write them in the comments.